that angle, sideways of smoke, like this. More quality panels, maybe a windshield, seats maybe.
Probably. Hi. So we're getting body panels on. Gonna work with skirts and bumpers and headlights and I don't know. Pretty much get it all put together. Just kind of work on fitting it all, because you know, fiberglass stuff doesn't always fit correctly.
Never.
Ever does.
Meant for like rear, you know, like drag cars have like that rear.
I have no idea which way this is supposed to go in.
Battle scars. It's like dead on.
That Dustin's man strength doesn't always help.
Telling God to get in here.
Did you eat breakfast?
You get head in it? So that's cheaper. More?
It's just shredded. Okay. I know how to put this in.
Not with the cage though. Cage is gonna suck.
He's always alone in his videos besides like one guy, one time. Step out. I only step out braking hard. I understeer otherwise. Does that actually work that well?
This does push it out as well, actually. Okay, so at this point it is Sunday. Today's Sunday, and I have not uploaded a single picture or anything showing this car painted because I wanted to do something special for all my friends. So I still don't have the bumper on, but what I'm doing, I sent out a huge message to Facebook, Snapchat. I haven't done Instagram. I don't know if I will, but anyway. And I'm having all my friends and people that have wanted to see this car look like this for a long time. I'm having everyone come out to the shop. I wanted to make it really cool, really kind of special for this because I've been waiting for this for a really long time. So today's kind of like my friend reveal of the car. I want everyone who can see this in person. And then, yeah. And then tomorrow I'm gonna show my parents. And then also tomorrow I'm gonna upload all my pictures on this whole thing, so. Yeah, anyway, that's kind of what we're doing. What you think?
I'm speechless. It's beautiful. I'm really jealous. I wish it was mine. After it's all put together anyway.
Yeah, no. First reactions. You ready?
Okay,
Okay.
we're good.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get my spectacles.
Ah.
Yeah, probably. Let's see your S13.
Yeah.
14 disassemblies later.
Yeah, this will be the 8th time putting the engine back in. Wow, this looks so pretty.
Just that motor?
No.
Like the new motor, or is that including all 13 pieces?
Both of them. Wow, this is so pretty in the sun. Good reaction.
I love S13, so I think it looks great. Now it needs polka dots.
1010 would recommend the look. 1010 would recommend the look. Fair rating by Dan.
Okay. Okay.
It could be item N now.
What do you think, Trent?
I think it's pretty neat. I'm a fan. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat.
So I had a ton of friends come over. It was super cool. Really nice to have some people appreciate this as much as I do. David's looking at me like I'm an idiot. And oh, I didn't zoom in. I didn't focus. Anyway, yeah. So actually, I got like a headlight on. So we're gonna go get some food, hang out with some friends, just kind of take a break. It's kind of what I've been needing for a long time. Just a couple things I want to do. So I get bumpers on, hood, and everything. Gonna do like a cool actual edit on this. Make it look really, probably better than it is. But yeah, no, I'm in love. I mean, this is what I've wanted for years, and it's better than I could have ever imagined. I'm like fanboying out on my own car. So that's cool. I mean, it's more than I could have ever asked for. And I think all my friends who have helped me so much. Grandparents, I wouldn't have this shop without them. I wouldn't have a lot of stuff without a lot of people. So yeah, I think a lot of people. I mean, there's too many to go through. But anyway, we'll leave you today with a shot looking at her. And some friends who are gonna majorly judge me for talking to the camera. And you guys.
Just buying a rebuild or
Yeah.
Right. Been
Well,
waiting
you
for
know
this.
when you open it now, we're gonna go, oh.
Yeah, you're building up too much.
Yeah. Just get it over with. Aren't we supposed
You haven't seen it.
No.
You
I
haven't seen
can't
it.
believe
She hasn't seen it.
See it.
Yes, he is a jerk.
Is that on video too? My legs!
Alright, there we go. Oh, that's all it is.
Okay, let's go.
Can you see things? Oh my gosh! It's shiny!
That is so pretty.
You cannot get grease on you anywhere you touch.
Oh my gosh.
Everything is painted.
Beautiful.
Woo!